Hi! Today I'm gonna be making apple oatmeal cookies. They are a great snack when you go, for example, on a lake and you need some quick energy. It is a super simple recipe that you can make in less than 30 minutes. So before you leave for your activity, you just make these awesome cookies and bring them with you. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe at this channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and I'll see you next time.